Is that your phone?
It is the 6 a.m. alarm.
It's so early.
We planned the morning run.
I remember, but I'm tired.
Listen to that sound.
Is that the wind?
No, it is the rain.
Is it a big storm?
No, just a steady rain.
It makes me want to stay.
We need to hit our goal.
3 miles today.
Yes, for our fitness plan.
I'm closing my eyes.
No, open them slowly.
Give me a hand.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
We are finally up. What should we wear for rain?
Avoid cotton today.
Because it gets heavy.
Yes, it stays wet.
I'm grabbing my tech shirt.
Good. Wear the long sleeves.
Where's my rain shell?
It's in the back corner.
The one with the hood?
Yes, that is the one.
I need my running tights.
Are they dry?
Yes, I washed them yesterday.
I can't find my cap.
Look on the top shelf.
Got it. The visor helps.
I'm lacing up my shoes.
Are those waterproof?
They are Gore-Tex.
Perfect for this weather.
Are you taking the umbrella?
Yes, just in case.
We will use it if the rain gets heavier. What should we wear for rain?
Avoid cotton today.
Because it gets heavy.
Yes, it stays wet.
I'm grabbing my tech shirt.
Good. Wear the long sleeves.
Where's my rain shell?
It's in the back corner.
The one with the hood?
Yes, that is the one.
I need my running tights.
Are they dry?
Yes, I washed them yesterday.
I can't find my cap.
Look on the top shelf.
Got it. The visor helps.
I'm lacing up my shoes.
Are those waterproof?
They are Gore-Tex.
Perfect for this weather.
Are you taking the umbrella?
Yes, just in case.
We will use it if the rain gets heavier. The air is so sharp.
Take a deep breath.
The street is glowing.
It's the wet asphalt.
The rain is very light.
It's just a mist.
Should we start now?
Let's stretch first.
My calves are tight.
Do some lunges now.
My muscles feel stiff.
Stretch your hamstrings too.
That feels much better. Let's start jogging. Watch the puddles.
The sidewalk is clear.
Let's do the big loop.
Past the park.
Yes, towards the... How is your heart?
It is beating fast.
My breathing is heavy.
Keep a steady pace.
The air feels wet.
It's good for lungs.
Look at the grass.
It's very bright green.
I'm feeling warmer now.
The blood is moving.
No more cold shivers.
You are doing great.
Is the rain changing?
It's getting a bit heavier.
I feel bigger drops.
On your face.
Yes, and my shoulders.
Is your shell working?
Yes, water is sliding.
Are you dry inside?
Totally dry, not wet.
My cap is wet.
But the brim works.
It keeps eyes clear.
Should we speed up?
Yes, push the pace.
My legs feel strong.
We are almost there.
I love this feeling.
No stopping. Let's go.
1 more mile left.
We can do this.
I see the bakery.
We finished our goal.
3 miles is done.
You did so well.
We stayed very strong.
I feel so proud.
My body feels loose.
My mind is clear.
I am so happy.
Is it open yet?
The sign says open.
Let's eat breakfast here.
Yes, refuel our bodies. It's so warm here.
It smells like cinnamon.
I'm ordering my favorite.
The blueberry muffin.
No, the bran muffin.
That is very healthy.
What is your choice?
A plain toasted bagel.
With regular cream cheese.
Yes, and large coffee.
I want hot tea.
It warms the soul.
I am so hungry.
This warm food is perfect.
Let's open the umbrella.
It's a big one.
We can both fit.
Hold my arm.
Walking is nice too.
The rain is peaceful.
The air is fresh.
The street is quiet.
Usually we are sleeping.
Yes, and our beds.
I love this feeling.
Me too. It is special.
My shoes are soaked.
But your heart is happy.
Yes, I feel proud.
We didn't give up.
Run again tomorrow.
Yes, same time.
Rain or shine.
Rain or shine.
The shower was hot.
I feel so fresh.
Put on clean clothes.
My brain is awake.
No more sleepy fog.
I'm ready for work.
Your energy is high.
Better than before, right?
Much better.
I will work fast.
Today will be great.
Happy morning.
Tonight.
Thank you for inviting us, Linda.
Yes, it was a nice evening.
I hope you had a good time.
We did. The food was great and everyone was friendly.
I was nervous at first, but I feel better now.
That's normal. Next time will be even easier.
Absolutely. Maybe a barbecue next month?
That sounds fun.
We'll bring dessert next time.
Perfect. Have a safe walk home.
Thanks, Linda. Good night.
Good night.
That was not as bad as I thought.
See, you survived the party.
I even talked to Mark and tried the cake.
You did great. I'm proud of you.
Thanks for pushing me to go.
Sometimes we need a little push to try new things.
I still feel a bit tired from all the talking.
That's normal. Social things can be exhausting.
But I'm glad we went.
Me too. The food was good and we met new people.
Next time, maybe I'll talk even more.
That's the spirit.
Let's go home and relax now.
Yes, I need some tea and a quiet sofa. Tom, what did you learn tonight?
I learned that small talk is not as scary as I thought.
And?
That most people are just as nervous as I am.
Exactly. Everyone wants to be liked and feel comfortable.
I also learned that cake makes everything better.
True.
I think I can try more social things now.
I'll be with you every time.
Thanks, Sarah.
You're welcome. Now let's get some sleep.
Good night.
Good night, Tom. Good morning, Tom.
Good morning, Sarah.
How do you feel after last night's party?
Honestly, I feel good. I was nervous, but I'm glad we went.
You did really well.
I was surprised I could do it.
See, you just needed a little practice.
I think I want to try going to more events now.
That's a great idea.
The more you practice, the easier it gets.
Maybe next time I'll start a conversation myself.
I'll be there to cheer you on.
Thanks, Sarah. I'm lucky to have you. Hi, is this Bella Italia restaurant?
Yes, it is. How can I help you?
I'd like to make a reservation.
Sure. For which date and time?
This Saturday at 7.
How many people will be dining?
Just 2. A table for 2.
Do you prefer indoor or outdoor?
Indoor, please. By the window if possible.
Let me check for you.
Thanks so much.
We have one window table left. Perfect.
I'll take it.
Can I get your name?
Sarah Miller. Miller.
Is this for a special occasion?
Yeah, it's my husband's birthday.
Would you like us to bring out a dessert with a candle?
That would be great. He has no idea.
We'll make it a surprise.
Oh, one more thing. He's allergic to shellfish.
Got it. I'll make a note of that.
Great, thanks so much.
You're welcome. See you Saturday. Morning. Coffee's on the counter.
Thanks, babe. You're up early.
Yeah. Any plans for today?
Actually, I was thinking we could go out tonight.
Go out where to?
Somewhere nice. It's a surprise.
A surprise? What's the occasion?
Does there need to be an occasion?
I guess not. I'm just curious.
Just trust me, you'll like it.
Okay, I trust you.
Good. Wear something nice tonight.
How nice are we talking?
Shirt and jacket, nice.
Got it. Now I'm really curious.
Patience, you'll find out in a few hours.
Fine. I can wait.
Hey there, looking for anything special?
Yeah, I need a nice red wine.
Sure, what's the occasion?
Dinner out with my husband tonight.
Nice. What kind of food?
Italian.
Italian goes great with Chianti.
Chianti, tell me more.
It's from Tuscany, really popular.
What's it taste like?
It's dry with a cherry finish.
That sounds good. What about this one?
That's a 2019 vintage. Great choice.
How much?
$35.
I'll take it. Can you wrap it up?
Sure thing. Here you go.
Thanks a lot. Tom, you ready?
Almost. How do I look?
Really nice. The blue shirt looks good on you.
Thanks. You look great too.
Thank you. I called an Uber.
Uber? Why not drive?
I got us some wine for dinner. We can both enjoy it.
Smart thinking. No designated driver needed.
Exactly. We can relax and enjoy the night.
So, any hints about where we're going?
It's your favorite type of food.
Pizza, steak, or...
You'll see when we get there.
Fine. The Uber's here,
Just got the notification. Let's go.
right behind you.
Good evening. Welcome to Bella Italia.
Hi, I have a reservation under Miller.
Let me check. Sarah Miller, party of 2.
That's right.
Your table by the window is ready.
Perfect. Thank you.
We have your notes about the allergy.
Great. And the other thing?
All set. We'll take care of it later.
Wonderful. We also brought our own wine.
No problem. Corkage fee is $10.
That's fine.
Follow me, please.
Thank you.
Whoa, this place is really nice.
You like it?
Like it. I love it. Italian food.
I knew you'd be happy.
Look at this view. The city lights.
Pretty romantic, right?
Very. What's the occasion again?
Just wanted to treat you.
Well, I feel very treated.
Good. That's the point.
Something smells amazing.
That's probably the garlic bread.
My stomach is growling.
Let's look at the menu then.
Good idea. I'm starving.
What sounds good to you?
I'm thinking steak. What do you recommend?
Their ribeye is supposed to be great.
Sold. I'm getting that.
Good evening, folks. Ready to order?
Yes, we are.
What can I get for you?
We'll start with the bruschetta.
Great choice. And for mains?
1 ribeye steak, medium rare.
Medium rare. Got it. And for you?
I'll have the mushroom pasta.
Excellent. Anything to drink besides the wine?
Just water for both of us.
Still or sparkling?
Still is fine.
Perfect. I'll open your wine now.
Thank you.
Food will be out shortly.
The bruschetta was great.
Yeah, the tomatoes were so fresh.
All right, time for the steak.
How does it look? Let me cut into it first.
Everything okay?
Not really.
What's wrong?
I ordered medium rare. Look at this.
Oh no, there's no pink.
Yeah, this is well done.
The meat looks pretty tough.
It is. I can barely cut it.
That's a bummer. Should we say something?
I think so. They should know.
I'm not great at complaining.
It's not complaining.
It's just letting them know.
I guess you're right.
Want me to handle it?
No, I can do it. I'll wave him over.
You got this.
Excuse me, could I talk to you for a sec?
Of course. How's everything?
Actually, there's a small issue with the steak.
Oh, what's wrong?
My husband ordered medium rare,
Right, I remember.
but this came out well done.
I'm so sorry about that.
The meat is a bit tough to cut.
You're absolutely right. Let me fix that.
Could we get a new one?
Of course, I'll have the chef make it right away.
How long will that take?
About 10 minutes.
That's fine, no rush.
I'm really sorry about this. We'll make it right.
No problem. Thanks for understanding.
Now that's a proper steak.
Pink in the middle.
Perfect. Medium rare. So tender.
Good. I'm glad you spoke up. Well, that I spoke up.
See? It wasn't that bad.
They were really nice about it.
And your pasta?
So good. Want a bite?
Really creamy.
Look, the waiter's coming back.
He's carrying something.
Oh my.
Is that a tiramisu with a candle?
Happy birthday, Tom.
Wait, what? It's my birthday.
You forgot your own birthday.
I totally forgot. Work's been crazy.
That's why I planned all of this.
You planned everything. The restaurant, the wine.
All for you, birthday boy.
I can't believe this. You're amazing.
Make a wish. The candle's melting.
Okay. Let me think.
Did you wish?
I did.
What did you wish for?
I can't tell you. It won't come true.
Fair enough. Oh, look at the plate.
There's a note on the house. Sorry for the wait.
They gave us free dessert because I spoke up.
See? Always worth it.
This worked out perfectly.
Best birthday ever. Seriously. That was an incredible night.
I'm glad you liked it.
The food, the wine, the surprise.
And the free tiramisu.
That was a nice bonus.
You really forgot your birthday.
Completely. I've been so busy lately.
That's why you need me.
I really do. Thanks for everything.
You're welcome. Look at all those stars.
The sky is really clear tonight.
Perfect night.
Next time, I'm planning something for you.
Oh, really? I'll hold you to that.
There's our ride. Let's go home.
Love you, birthday boy.
Love you too.
Best birthday ever.
Chill.
God bless you.
My head is heavy.
You look very pale.
I feel so cold.
Let me touch you.
My skin is hot.
You have a fever.
Where is the medicine?
Check the white box.
It is totally empty.
I don't need pills.
It is getting worse.
It's just a cold.
You said that before.
Did I say that?
Yes, then you fainted.
That was a surprise.
It was very scary.
I'll be fine here.
I am the boss.
You are very bossy.
It's for your safety.
I'm going out now.
Where are you going?
To buy some medicine.
Is it for me?
Yes, just in case.
Please don't go.
Why not?
Wait until tomorrow.
No, we need it.
I can wait.
Lie down right here.
The blanket is thin.
I'll get the quilt.
I feel a chill.
I'm tucking you in.
You're very sweet.
Do you want food?
I have no appetite.
Some soup later?
Maybe just some water.
Sleep for a bit.
Will you be long?
I'll be back soon.
I will try sleeping.
Call me for anything.
Please stay safe.
I will be careful.
Don't be in a rush.
Oh no, not now. The gas is low. The light is blinking. I must go to the gas station first.
Hello, welcome to Shell.
Hi, I need gas.
Which pump are you at?
I am at pump 4.
How much do you want?
$40, please.
Cash or a credit card?
I will use credit.
Please insert it now.
The screen is blinking.
Zip code is needed.
Okay, it is done.
Now choose your fuel.
I'll choose the regular.
Go ahead and pump.
I'm holding the nozzle.
Is it working fine?
Yes, the fuel is flowing.
Is that enough gas?
8 gallons is enough.
The pump just clicked.
Yes, it is full.
Do you need a receipt?
Yes, I need my receipt.
Here's your receipt.
Thank you. Good night.
You too. Drive safe. Welcome. Can I help?
I need cold medicine.
Is it for you?
No, for my wife.
What are her symptoms?
Sneezing and a fever.
Try these 3 things.
What is the first?
This is liquid NyQuil.
Does it cause sleepiness?
Yes, it helps sleep.
She needs to sleep.
Second is Tylenol.
Is it for fever?
Yes, and body aches.
What about vitamin C?
Get these emergency packets.
Do they taste good?
They taste like orange.
I'll take all 3.
Follow the dose carefully.
I will check labels.
Excuse me, can you help?
Sure, what do you need?
Where's the soup aisle?
It is behind you.
Is the chicken noodle here?
Yes, on the top shelf.
Is it the red can?
Yes, it is the classic one.
Yes, I'll take 2.
Are these flowers tulips?
Yes, they are fresh.
I want 1 bunch.
Okay, ready for checkout?
Yes. How much total?
It is $40.
Here's my card.
Please wait a moment.
Is it done now?
Yes, here's your receipt.
Thank you for help.
Goodbye. Have a nice night.
Goodbye. I'm back. Sarah,
You took so long.
the car was empty.
Did you find gas?
Yes, I filled up.
Is the store far?
Just a short drive.
What is in the bag?
These tulips are for you. I want you happy.
Thank you, Tom. They are beautiful.
I'm going to kitchen.
What are you making?
Heating up some soup.
Is it chicken noodle?
Yes, the red can.
I smell it now.
The soup is hot.
Try a small sip.
It tastes very salty.
It's good for you.
My throat feels better.
Eat some more noodles.
I am full now.
Now take the medicine.
Take all 3 types.
Just take NyQuil first.
It helps with sleep.
What about the vitamin?
Drink the vitamin C.
Okay, yes, boss.
Let's check your fever.
Is it very high?
It is 99.8 degrees.
Do I need Tylenol?
No, not for now.
Your fever is low.
When do I take it?
If it hits 101.5,
Take pills after that.
hope it stays down.
I'm so sleepy.
Medicine is working.
My head feels light.
That's the NyQuil.
Is the light off?
I'll dim it.
Do you have tissues?
Right here, Sarah.
Put them near me.
On the small nightstand?
Yes, very close.
Here you go.
My feet are cold.
Wear these socks.
Thank you for everything.
My pleasure, dear.
You are the best.
Get some rest.
Good night, my Tom.
Good night, Sarah.